Hi, this is David for Paintable, and in this video I'll show you how to paint eyebrows like a pro. Hey guys, David Beliveau here with another hack for your digital paintings. This one is going to be about eyebrows. Basically, I want to show you how you can do the eyebrows, but I'm also going to give you a really precise hack that's going to make sure that you have realism into your eyebrows. I keep putting an H on that word. It's eyebrows. All right, so basically what we're going to do is, first of all, we want to design and paint the eyebrow. And so for that, few steps. Those are not the hacks though, but I'm just going to give you a quick step-by-step. So first step, you want to have a base color. So what you want to do is, you don't want to go as dark as your eyebrow, and you want to design the size and shape of your eyebrows. I'm going to try to match the other one on the other side without taking too much time at it. I think that's close enough for now. So just like that, and basically I'm going to fill that up with that color. So that's the first thing you want to do. Then what you want to have is a texture brush to help you. That's going to help you to have a little bit more of a realism without spending too much time. So I have my texture brush here. I'm going to just pick up the color of my eyebrow here, and maybe something a little bit less dark for now. And then I want to brush into the side, into the direction of the hair. So I'm just going to brush like this in the same direction. I'm going to go all over my eyebrow just like that. Then it's really up to you. I know for this one what I did is I did multiple brushes, so you can go ahead if you want to and just take more time. I won't for this one because I'm really excited to just show you the hack. Basically, if you do this, even if you take other brushes and you start going like really into details and adding some small hair there and there, you can see that there's a huge difference in those two. And the difference is, it's because it's not blending well with the skin. Basically, the roots, they look copy-pasted on the one that I just did compared to the other one. And the hack to make sure that that doesn't happen is to use a smudge tool. So what you want to do is simply use the smudge tool with a round brush, like this one, for example. It's very just a normal brush. You want to make sure that your strength to your smudge tool goes around 60. And on a new layer, making sure that you have simple all layer clicked on. This way you'll be able to have a new layer and be able to do this. You want to brush in the strokes like this, and that's gonna give the blending of the skin with the hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically painting and brushing all around my eyebrow here, adding just that roots basically. So I'm just gonna go over all the eyebrow here. And there you go, guys. You can see that there's a huge difference now between what I had, which was really stiff, and this is now looking really, really soft, and it looks like it blends with the skin. Obviously, I went maybe a little bit too far. I could have done just a little bit less, and I could be able to put more time on the hair in general. And one of the things that's going to help to add realism, even if I were to not spend much more time on this, it would be the highlight. And the highlight, you can use the same hack actually. You can go ahead and just pick up the color of your highlight. Then you can just paint a few dots almost, or a few lines on it, and then use the smudge tool to just blend those into the direction of the hair, and it's going to look like it's having some highlights on each hair basically. So using the same hack here, I'm able to actually add some highlights on it. I think I'm just going to redo those, but you get the picture. It would need to be on the actual hair, so they need to follow the direction of them, just like that. I'll add just a few more. And so I'm painting basically the color of the highlight, and then I just smudge it. And that's it, guys. That's the hack. It's using the smudge tool when you actually do your eyebrows. It's going to help you just to blend all the tones and hues that you need to make sure that they look more realistic. And that's it for this hack, guys. I hope you liked it. If you want to make sure to see all of them in the next days to come, as I'll post one each day, make sure to click on the subscribe button right there. And also, I would like to know today, what is the thing that you like the most about painting portrait? Please let me know in the comment below this video. Have a good day and happy painting.